Hello everyone. For this week we're going to be acquiring the keys to academic success. So for this module you're going to be learning how to be an active reader and a critical reader. You're going to have a couple of reading assignments. One is the Burro Genius. I would like for you to read chapter 1. Also, I will also like for you to read chapter 1 from your college textbook, Reading for Thinking. I have incorporated in the module a PowerPoint to reinforce the information that you read in the chapter. Also, there is a handout that ties in to the SQ3R method. And then I want you to complete some assignments, and there's also a discussion board. So be mindful of the deadlines that I have for this module, because as you know, they vary. So I hope you have a great week, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Take care.